Thank you for the party, family.
Thank you so much. You guys made us feel welcome and at home, and we're really grateful.
We love coming to the bowling party. This is, I think, our 4th year in a row. You have fun bowling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to thank Team Home Loans for making the home buying process so easy. For my wife and I, it was from the start to the end. Jason took care of us.
Hey, just a heads up for Team Home Loans. Great job. We're at a bowling party here on New Year's Day. They do an awesome job. Use terrific.
Hey, it's good to be here. We're at Jason's Team Home Loans bowling party. It's like 4th year anniversary. It's so much fun. All the family. It's really great.
Yeah, it's an absolute pleasure to do business with Team Home Loans. To have a company with such integrity is just phenomenal. We look forward to doing more with them in the future.
Okay, we're going to the Charger game. Thank you, Jason, for giving that to us. We won here at the bowling game.
We're having a great time at the New Year's party. We want to go ahead and thank the entire team for all that they have done for this year. We had a great time. We had a good experience. Everything went well.
We're all enjoying ourselves very much. Such a great time. He thought of everything from food to enjoyment to prizes, and we really appreciate it.
Just want to say thanks. It was a great experience working with Jason and Team Home Loans. And
Jason helped me with 2 or 3 home loans, and I mean, he does all the paperwork. He makes it so easy, straightforward. I love this guy.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
thanks so much and have a Happy New Year.
Thank you so much.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Go Chargers. Thank you, Jason.